Hey everyone, Taylor here with Neville Motors, taking you for a walk around this 2019 Chevy Suburban. This one was acquired for our owner, who drove it for just a couple weeks. He drove it out to Seattle and back on a epic road trip. So owner driven, really just a super nice clean vehicle. Seen here in satin steel. This is a premier model, meaning that it is loaded with all the bells and whistles that you can imagine. Being a Suburban, definitely the king of the road with storage. You do have this extra room back here, as well as a power folding third row, giving you plenty of storage for you and your guests. Simply all we have to do is press right here to pull those up, and you can bring them up individually to open and close those. And then we'll just hit the close button right there. If you look down the side of the vehicle, no dings, no dents. It was actually a company car, I believe, before that as well, so always just an executive-driven vehicle. Great shape. This one also does have power running boards, so as we open the door, they'll come out, and then there'll actually be a light on there as well. Leather buckets in it, heated and cooled, memory. I mean, really anything that you can imagine that this thing has. As we start it up and take a look here, 22,431 miles on it, automatic brakes on it. I mean, again, this really just has every option that you can imagine on it. Also be able to see this does have adaptive cruise on it. It does have the towing package, giving it a trailer brake controller in there as well. Navigation. Also you're gonna find projection, which means that you can tie up to your Apple CarPlay or Android Auto. Below that, you do have dual zone climate, and your rear controls are below that. To the left then, you're going to find your heated and cooled seats controls there. And as we look all the way up, your controls for your power liftgate and your garage door openers. As we turn to the back, captains are also back here. There it goes, focuses. Super comfortable in the back. Heated seats with their own climate control. Also have the third row, easy access right there. To simply get back there, there's a lever right on the bottom of the seat. Click it once to fold it down. Click it again to get in the third row. I mean, I'm doing this with one hand, so nice and easy to use here. The 20-inch rims are in great shape, as well as the tires. An all-around really good-looking vehicle. If you or someone you know is interested in this 2019 Chevrolet Suburban, please feel free to reach out at 715-256-2900. Check out the website at nevillemotorsgm.com or comment on the link below. Thank you.